Welcome, everyone. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and create a life filled with abundance, success, confidence, and happiness? Today, we'll delve into the transformative power of I am affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. They act like seeds planted in your subconscious mind, influencing your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your actions. I am affirmations are particularly potent because they establish a sense of identity and ownership over your desired state of being. The science behind affirmations is quite fascinating. Studies suggest that positive affirmations can reduce stress and negativity. By focusing on the positive, affirmations can counteract negative self-talk and create a more optimistic outlook. Boost self-confidence. Regularly declaring your strengths and capabilities can build your confidence and empower you to take action. Improve neuroplasticity. The brain has the ability to change and adapt throughout life. Affirmations can help to rewire your neural pathways, reinforcing positive beliefs. Attract what you desire. Affirmations can shift your energy and vibration, making you more receptive to opportunities that align with your goals. Let's begin with abundance. Abundance isn't just about material wealth. It encompasses a sense of having enough in all aspects of life. Here are some powerful affirmations. I am a magnet for abundance. Prosperity flows to me effortlessly. The universe is filled with an abundance of resources, and I am open to receiving them. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, and I know more are on their way. I deserve abundance, and I am worthy of receiving it. I release limiting beliefs about scarcity and embrace the flow of abundance in my life. Now, let's turn to success. Success is a personal journey defined by your unique goals and aspirations. Here are some empowering affirmations. I am successful in everything I do. I am capable and resourceful. I define success for myself, and I am taking consistent action towards my dreams. I learn from my challenges and use them as stepping stones to success. I am surrounded by supportive people who believe in me and my potential. I celebrate every milestone on my journey to success, big or small. Confidence is the foundation for achieving anything in life. Here are some affirmations to boost your confidence. I am confident in my abilities and trust myself to make wise decisions. I radiate confidence and self-assuredness. I am worthy of respect and success. I embrace my imperfections and accept myself fully. I am capable of handling any challenge that comes my way. I step outside my comfort zone and embrace opportunities to grow my confidence. Finally, let's explore happiness. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. Here are some affirmations to cultivate joy in your life. I choose happiness in every moment. I focus on the positive and appreciate the good in my life. This affirmation encourages a proactive approach to happiness. It highlights the importance of choosing a positive mindset and actively seeking out the good things in life. I surround myself with positive people and experiences that uplift my spirit. This affirmation emphasizes the impact of our environment on happiness. It encourages surrounding yourself with people and experiences that bring joy and positivity. I practice gratitude and appreciate all that I have. This affirmation focuses on the power of gratitude. By appreciating what we already have, we cultivate a sense of contentment and happiness. I take care of myself physically and emotionally, allowing myself to feel joy fully. This affirmation acknowledges the connection between well-being and happiness. It emphasizes the importance of self-care to allow yourself to experience joy fully. I find happiness in the simple things and savor every precious moment. This affirmation encourages appreciating the little things in life. By focusing on simple pleasures, we can find happiness in everyday moments. I release negativity and forgive myself and others. I choose to hold on to peace and joy. I am kind and compassionate to myself and others. Kindness brings happiness to me and the world around me. This affirmation promotes letting go of negativity, which can be a major obstacle to happiness. It encourages forgiveness and choosing a peaceful and joyful state of mind. I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Learning and expanding make life more fulfilling and joyful. This affirmation highlights the connection between kindness and happiness. It encourages self-compassion and spreading kindness to others, creating a ripple effect of positivity. I live in the present moment and savor the beauty around me. Mindfulness allows me to truly appreciate the joy of life. This affirmation promotes mindfulness and living in the present moment. By focusing on the here and now, we can appreciate the beauty and joy that surrounds us. I follow my passions and engage in activities that bring me joy. Happiness is found in living a life aligned with what excites me. This affirmation encourages prioritizing activities that ignite your passion and bring you joy. Living a purpose-driven life aligned with your passions fosters happiness. Remember, I am affirmations are a powerful tool to transform your life. By consistently practicing them, you can cultivate a mindset of abundance, success, confidence, and happiness. Now that you have some powerful affirmations, start your journey to a more abundant, successful, confident, and joyful life today. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next time.